Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to upload code in ESP32 module quickly and easily. Whether you are a beginner, you in a right place. For programming ESP32, you need to some hardware and software. First of all, I show you hardware. Before we start, here what you need. You need ESP32 like that and some FTDI. FTDI is a programmer and some jumpers like that. Also, you need some Arduino Nano cable to program ESP32 CAM. Connect everything. I provide you diagram for that. First of all, log in. Then I connect my DIY jumper. Then I connect my ESP32. All setup is ready. You need Arduino IDE software. If you don't know about Arduino IDE software, I'm making video on that. Visit my channel and watch it. First of all, you going to select your port, then edit your board and enter your board name. In my case, AI Thinker, because now we are programming ESP32 CAM, so that we select AI Thinker ESP32 CAM. Then press it OK. Make sure your port is selected perfectly, otherwise code it gets some error. Okay, if you don't show the AI Thinker ESP32 board, then going to file, preference, and simply going to this, and I provide you this URL. Simply paste it here and OK, and save it. OK, and then going to tool, board, and board manager, and search ESP32. Then you are showing that ESP32 by Asprif. In my case, I already installed that board, so that in your case, install button showing here, simply install it, and you are showing that your ESP I Thinker board. Okay, after selecting board or COM port, you just need to upload the code. It take a few seconds to compile it, then uploading. When uploading, then push reset button. Otherwise, it may get error. After code uploading successfully, then you need to just remove the GPR 0 pin jumper. Then simply reset it via reset button, and as you can see, my LED is blinking. Watching video. If you get more update about it, then simply subscribe to my channel. watching video. If you get more update about it, then simply subscribe to my channel.